We're now playing the bishop's opening, and the guy decided to develop his queen too early. Let's just go knight c3. I'm trying to start chasing that queen around. He plays c6 to prevent me from doing that. Let's go knight f3. Now we have three pieces developed. He developed his bishop. Now I'm going to simply get my king out the center of the board. Now that he plays d6, my plan from here is to attack his king that is in the center of the board with the move pawn to d4. He decides to take the pawn, but we don't even need to move the knight. All I'm going to play here is pawn to e5. And this is what happens when you develop your queen early. He decides to play the move pawn takes c5. Now we play knight e4, forking the queen and the bishop. But it does not end here. Once the queen guards the bishop and we take the bishop, he thinks everything is fine, but I'm actually able to take on e5, threatening to fork. The queen is not able to take on e5, so he decides to play the move pawn to f6, which is a forbidden move. Now, here's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to play queen h5, and if he plays g6, I take on g6, but the queen would take my queen. So first, I'm going to play the move pawn to b4 with the whole idea of chasing his queen off the fifth rank. And once the queen takes, now I hit him with queen to h5, and he's going to at least be getting checkmated here. Pawn g6, let's just take on g6. And then he took on c4, and I'm now going to take his rook with check, which means he has to move his king. He moves the king, but it allows me to play bishop to a3 check, bringing more pieces into the attack. He moves the king again, and because I want to bring as many pieces in the attack, I should be able to play queen takes h7 check. The king is not able to move. He decides to block with the knight, but my bishop guards the square, which means that's just a checkmate. Follow for more videos like these.